Hey, sixth grade, welcome back to library. I know it's been a while since we've had class because we had Grandparents' Day and then we had Lag BaOmer on Tuesday. So I wanted to take the chance to give you guys a fun article to read today. Um, I thought it was really interesting and kind of adorable. So the article is about these animals called the quokkas. I think that's how you pronounce it. Quokkas, maybe. And they live in Australia, and it's become this big deal to take selfies with them because apparently they love people, and it's just something that kind of took the internet by storm. So this is an article about it, and make sure you watch the video here. It's really cute, and it has some good information. After you've read the article, it looks long, but it's really a quick read. You are going to fill out the Google form that is attached here. It is 10 questions. Some of them are a short answer, and some of them are multiple choice. So once you've done that, I'd like you guys to comment on this post about what wild animal you would like to take a selfie with if you could. So personally, I'm fascinated by tigers, and especially watching Tiger King. I think it would be really cool to take a selfie with a tiger, but now I know, since most of them are not well taken care of in the zoos in the US, it's probably not a good idea. But if you finish, after you've done all those things, steps 1 through 4, if you finish, you can look at the choice board. I did add some new things. There's a new virtual field trip. There are 2 new escape rooms. The Alice in Wonderland one looked really cool. And then a new origami challenge. So make sure you check something out there. Or you can just, as always, read a book. We will be having Miss Casey come back. So you guys will be meeting with her a couple more times this school year during library time, so I'll send out the information next week once it gets a little bit closer. But just keep an eye out for that. It'll be the same format. One class will meet with her one day, and then one class will meet with her the next time we have class. I miss you guys a lot. I hope you're all doing well. We're almost there. It's almost the end of the school year. If you're anything like me, you're kind of over this whole online learning thing. I know I'm over the whole online teaching thing. It's just not the same. So I hope you guys are hanging in there. I'm always here to talk if you want to talk. And I will see you again next week. Bye.